everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have two awesome cars, Shark and Ladybug. First we're going to race them and see who's faster. Then we'll go down the hill and back up the hill to find out who can climb the best. And after that, it's time for an epic freestyle challenge. Bumps, jumps and crazy rides for the bush, just like monster trucks. Let's go! Hi everyone, my name is Eldar and today I'm riding Ladybug. Hi, I'm Dominic and today I'm riding Shark. Huh?
Let's go!
Oh, come on! I'm gonna win! Come on! No! Yay! Race 2, I'm ready to win again. Let's see, let's see.
Let's go!
No! I'm ready to win again. Come on, come on. Come on. Oh, no, 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 yes. No, 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 no. Come on. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Yes, I won again. I can't believe I lost to my younger brother. Oh, I hope I win this time. No way, I think I will win.
Let's go!
Come on. If I don't win, then I have to win. Please. Oh, please. Come on. No, I'm winning. No, 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 no. No! Yeah, I won! Finally! This is a new challenge. I want to win so bad. I think I'm going to win this time now. Are you sure? Bruh, are you ready? Like never before. Go already. Let's go!
Let's go!
Whoa! I think I was first. Yeah, but you knocked the cone. Okay, I will give it to you. That means I won? Yes! I want a revenge on round 2. No worries. Let's go.
Let's go!
Come on. Oh no! Whoa, it's landed. Yeah! The cone almost fell down, but I still won. Oh well, 1-1. It's a tie. That was fun, brother. Now to the last challenge, freestyle. Whoa! 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 There's a big hole there! Whoa! Oh! Now I made it! Yeah! Yeah! Yes! Oh yeah! On the tunnel! On the tunnel! Yeah! And here! Whoa! Freestyle is my favorite one. Yeah, I love it too. One more? Yeah, let's do it. One more. Oh yeah, boy. On the tunnel. Oh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, no. That was fun. These cars are very fun. I like my shark more than Ladybug. I like Ladybug. It's done very good on road bumps. Hey guys, if you like our challenges, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit that like button.
Woohoo!